Hello, Powerman 03 2003 here. Got a new little project I'm going to be working on here. I'm going to turn this sucker into a racing mower. Oh yeah, 2-cylinder. Yeah, she's a little rough looking now, but I'll get her going. I ain't quite sure what year or a whole lot about it. Just been tinkering with it for a little bit. Gotta figure out how to keep the hood on there. It is a 16-horse 2-cylinder. One cylinder, 2-cylinder. One pipe, the other. Into one muffler. Comes out right over here. Thinking dual exhaust, but I'm not sure on where I want to run it at yet. I don't know if I want to come out right here with one pipe and then one on the other side, or if I want to run them one here and one here. I ain't quite sure. I'm thinking in front of the pipe, or in front of the tires, I mean. 5-speed. That's the stuff that came out of the hood. Let's see what the pulley looks in here. That's a 10-inch pulley right there. I'm thinking 2.5 or smaller. The only problem I see is the shifter. Thinking of doing something different with the shifter. Actually relocating right here maybe. Like if you're on the mower, you just come straight over. Something like right here, I think would be good. You got your clutch pedal and brake. Thinking of doing something different with the brake and the clutch, or leave one pedal, or leave that pedal there for probably the clutch, and then putting the brake pedal somewhere else, or adjusting the brake or something on. You can just push the clutch in so far and it disengages the linkage and everything, where you can shift without actually having to stop or anything. And then right here, putting a gas pedal for your foot. Be something a little bit different that nobody else has around here. Needs a little bit of work, but it ain't a bad mower, especially for free. And the engine does crank. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I do have the covers that go on each side here, but I kind of like having the look of the cylinders right here hanging out. When the hood's on it, you can actually see them really good sticking out. And I think it's going to look pretty good with them just like they are. Of course, fix them cables and everything and relocate them or just take them off. I ain't sure what yet. Put some air in the tire, because this tire is flat. Cressman II 2-cylinder. Now I just got to get that big old pulley off and go from there. Do little odd and end things with it. That way I can figure out what it's going to look like after I get it all the way completed. Like a trial and error thing. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done a video, so I figured I'd do one real quick. Let me know what your opinions are and everything, and maybe some advice on certain things I ought to try out, and if I like them, I'll give them a try. See you.